Hello and welcome everyone. After a while, I'm coming to YouTube, and this video is on real-time payments. There's a good news to all the payment aspirants who wanted to learn on this. As we already know, the real-time payment has been a need to a modern era payment system. All the countries, especially those which are developing countries and especially the countries which are evolving their payment system, are already walking into the movement of their existing traditional payment system into real-time payments system. There are a lot of countries which are walking this implementation, that is of real-time payment implementation, including United States and a lot of other countries as well, including countries in the Middle East, which are still in a planning phase or somewhere in between where they could implement the real-time payments. Now, this is going to be one of the important area for all the payment aspirants where they can get an opportunity to walk into, right? So for that, you need to learn the entire system, how it works, and it is definitely using this ISO 2022 in the real-time payment systems. So let's understand the syllabus which we offer in our platform. So again, this one is also the exhaustive syllabus where it would take almost 1.5 month of duration to complete the course, and the entire details on the real-time payment system related aspect you would get it by sending the email to us at swiftpaymentguru@gmail.com, which I'll explain it to you at the end of this video. So I'll explain you the syllabus of the real-time payments. So we will start with the introduction to real-time payments, what exactly it meant, what are its components, how does it going to benefit the payment system for the retail and the corporate customers, advantages of the real-time payments, examples of real-time payments around the world. There are different countries and the naming for their real-time payments differs, including India, for an example, IMPS and UPI. Same way for USA, we have this FEDNOW, and the names are different, but the working concept remains the same. So if you learn this real-time payment system, one payment system, then you are good enough to work in any of the real-time payment system. Advantages of adopting ISO 2022 in RTP, that is into real-time payments. Definitely all the messaging going further internationally in all the payment system, whichever it is going to come or whichever is there right now, they have a migration to ISO 2022. Its importance is huge. So bank's role and account at RTP with the central bank role in the RTP. Central bank role in the real-time payments is very important. That also is covered over here, how those accounts related aspect, settlement accounts, all those things will be discussed, and the movement, everything would be discussed in this course. Then we'll learn about this ISO 2022 messaging, which is a foundation for the real-time payments in order to understand the different flows that happens to be there in the central bank and as well as at a bank's level. For that, you need to understand this ISO 2022 messaging. So this syllabus also covers your understanding into this ISO 2022, which we will cover from the basic to the advanced level. We'll start with the differences between the traditional MT and ISO 2022. Now, what is XML elements, ISO 2022 message structure, business application header, which needs to be there in ISO 2022 messages. Then we'll learn about this payment clearing and settlement messages, which includes your package 02, package 04, which is a payment return, and package 02 is a payment status report. Package 08, a very important message in terms of the customer credit transfer payment message, and package 09 in terms of the liquidity management as well, and the financial institution credit transfer. Package 028 is used for the payment status request that we'll discuss as well. When I say about this messages, we are not only going to learn the message, its element, its components, we are going to learn the business functionality as well. How in real-time payments this messages plays an important role, right? So what are the different scenarios? Those are covered as well. Payment initiation messages, which includes your PN 001, PN 002, which is a customer credit, PN 001 is a customer credit transfer initiation, and whereas Z02 is payment initiation status report. PN 013 is a request for the payment. Payment-014 is a request for payment response. 055 cash management 055 is a request for the payment cancellation request, and cash management 029 is a request for the payment cancellation request response. Similarly, into the reporting side, which includes 052, which is customer account report, 53 is a customer end of the day account statement report, 054 is a customer debit credit notification, 055 is a request for the payment cancellation request, 56 is used for payment cancellation request, 057 is notification to receive, and finally 060, which is account reporting request. Then in the real-time payments messaging areas, all those messages which we would be discussing, we would discuss in terms of the different areas utilized in real-time payments. There are system messages, which are the ADMI messages, and then request for payments, which includes Payment-013, Payment-014, cash management 055, cash management 029. Similarly, customer credit transfers, package 08, package 02, package 28. Liquidity management, which includes your package 009, payment returns 004 to cash management 026 and cash management 029. Information requests, which includes your cash management 026, 029 and 028. And finally, the account reporting, which includes 052, 4 and 060. Okay, and then once we have covered these many areas and the messages, now we are good to understand the different flows which needs to be there, which are essentially there in the real-time payments. What is push and pull payment? We'll understand with the different business scenarios. Real-time credit transfer outward, real-time credit transfer inward, real-time payment return, real-time payment reversal, real-time payment investigation, batch credit transfer outward, batch credit transfer inward, batch payment returns, P2P transfer and P2B credit transfer, QR code generation, scanning and credit transfer, request to pay, split payment, strong customer authentication, balance query, account verification and validations. So these many things we are going to cover in this entire payment syllabus, and this is definitely what you need in order to move into real-time payment system related job vacancies. Now, this is not only specific to one real-time payment systems. For example, it is not only applicable to UPI, IMPS or FEDNOW or any of the high-value payment system around the world. This is for entire real-time payments. If you know this entire content and the codes which we are offering in this particular syllabus, then you are good to crack any of the interviews in the real-time payment system. That's what we can assure you. And we have been in this training areas for almost 5+ years now, and we ensure that the quality which is required for you to understand the real-time payments is delivered. All right. So this is all about the real-time payments and the syllabus, and every month there would be a new batch starting. And in order to know on this, you just need to email us, and you know the email ID already, that is swiftpaymentguru@gmail.com. This is the email ID where you need to drop us an email to inquire. Whenever you are watching this video, you do not need to worry. You just have to drop an email and we would let you know the latest batch that is going to be there on this particular month, on whatever month you are seeing these videos and dropping an email. Additionally, we will also be having the self-paced batch or self-paced course wherein you will get the entire course content in terms of the videos, will grant you the access, and the access will be for lifelong. So both platform, that is online live classes, and also we have self-paced wherein you will get the entire course videos, right? So just drop us an email, that is swiftpaymentguru@gmail.com, and we'll get back to you with the responses which you need to get in order to enroll it or to purchase this course. Now, this is all about the real-time payments. Now, there's something, a new year offer to all my dear subscribers, or who have not yet subscribed and just have watched this video and just have subscribed after looking into this particular video. There's an offer that is 5 lucky subscriber gets free self-paced course of cross-border payment in ISO 2022 that will happen every 3 months. Within 3 months, every 5 lucky subscribers would get this self-paced course content free of cost, and 500 lucky subscriber gets 40% discount on actual self-paced cost. That's a good deal and something which we have planned this year to give to 500 lucky subscribers as well. So what you need to do this for this, right? You just need to subscribe and comment subscribe on this particular video and take a screenshot of your subscription to our channel and just send us at our email ID, that is paymentguru@gmail.com, and we would let you know in which you belong, whether it be the first one, that is the 5 lucky subscriber, or into this 500 lucky subscribers, right? And we will let you know the procedure how to proceed further in order to get that redemption on those offer which you are applicable for, right? So this is all about in this video, and we are looking forward to hear back from you to get enrollment not only on the real-time payments, not only on the Swift cross-border payments, we have into SEPA payments as well. And coming future, we are going to have different payment system related courses as well. So do grasp this opportunity, as you already know this is the time for all the payment aspirants to move on and get the right job with a handsome package all around the world, not only in India, but all around the world. All right, this is all. I'm signing off. See you next time.